Phuket, Thailand's biggest island. It's most visited, and the only place on Earth where a 10-minute tuk-tuk ride can cost more than the flight that got you here. No drone shot lies. 3 minutes. The honest guide to Phuket. Good news first. Unlike certain Thai islands, Phuket has a real international airport with real competition. Flights are cheap. That is the last cheap thing. Enjoy it. Taxis and tuk-tuks here run on a bold pricing model, whatever they feel like. Agree on the price before you get in, or download the ride app locals use and pay a third. Padang Beach, jet skis, banana boats, and roughly the population of a small European country on one strip of sand. It is a lot. Some people love it. Those people are 22. Bangla Road at night is Patong's second act. Neon, buckets, music from 6 bars at once. Go once. You will know within 11 minutes if it is your thing. Kata and Karen, 10 minutes south, same ocean, half the chaos. This is where you actually swim. Phuket Old Town is the plot twist. Sino-Portuguese shophouses, serious coffee, and a Sunday walking street market. The island's best afternoon costs almost nothing. The Big Buddha viewpoint, 45 meters of white marble, free entry, and the best view on the island. Shoulders covered. Yes, even yours. Now the traps. Renting a jet ski? Photograph it first. Every scratch. Or you may be invoiced for damage older than you are. The 5-day trip, for hours of boats to spend 40 minutes queuing for a photo where the beach used to be. There are emptier islands. Ask for those. Like Koh Yao Noi 40 minutes east. Rubber plantations, empty beaches, 0 jet skis. The Thailand you originally imagined. Eat at the night markets. A full dinner for 70 baht and the best pad thai of your life from a cart with a queue of locals. Follow the queue. Always follow the queue. Fine print. May to October is monsoon season. Red flags on the beach mean rip currents, not decoration. November to April is the postcard. So, loud in the middle, lovely at the edges, and always negotiable. Phuket, honestly reviewed. Subscribe for the guides that admit things.